Morning, family. Assalamu alaikum. This is Ham's Loft. Sunday morning, it's about 9 o'clock. Slept in. Didn't get a chance since I just came out to let the birds out. Before I did that, yesterday was the last day. You can see the water that I ran to 4 and 1. It's Sunday. I did it Saturday to Saturday. So today I'll pull it out and just give them straight water and then go to probiotics. But I had 13 young birds in this hen pen right here. I went in there and took out 10. I left 3. One of them I left was a black, and the other 2 were birds that had got the 2 youngest ones that got scalped. And if you can look all the way in the back, that white right there, if you see it, it's been scalped, but it's old enough to fly, eat on its own, and everything. And you probably can't see it, but let's see. Yeah, it's pretty bad though. She doing whatever they got to do. You see, it's got a little band. I think it's a cockbird. Another 2 in the inside. Had another storm last night, and all the ones I bought over here from over there, just to keep them a little bit different. They got a yellow snap band right there. See, a blue band and a yellow snap band. I know they probably have a little time, you know, uh, trapping to get in, but hey, that's just what they got to do then. They want to survive. So I think I got 1 adult bird in this pen. But all the rest of them are young birds. Get a quick little look. Get ready to let them out anyway. Get up there. They don't get the open door treatment. But you see, I gotta let the trap ups and then open the door. You know, although I got the fly pen that helps them out with flying and getting their wings stronger, so they're strong on the wings. When you try to get the birds, like I was gonna separate the 10 that I put in there and let all the other ones out. But to be honest with you, hell, they all gotta come out. I ain't got time to babysit 10 and then try to fly the other 40 plus. But we're gonna just do what it do, and let them do what they do. Now, I didn't chase them up. I just let them out, just so you can see how they come out, and you can see doing what they supposed to do. So I'm straight up in the air. So they making that progress. They went on top of the roof first and then they flew out. Now, of course, there's a few more in there and I'm gonna chase every one of them out. They ain't gonna get a break. I chased out quite a few on the roof. The rest of the birds are still flying. So I gotta flag up my crazy birds. Still got a few in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them are 7 are the ones with the yellow bands. They didn't come out. So we're gonna leave them in. Well, we'll just leave the cage open, see what they do. You can see they're trying to get onto the other side where they've been at for a long time. But it is what it is. We're just gonna leave the pen open and just let them come out on their own. But those guys, they gotta go up.